Bullish anchor convention cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 36 cents and 80 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept ANC could reach 36 cents by 2025. Bearish anchor convention market cost expectation for 2022 is 6 cents. Anchor convention presentation. You've come to the ideal locations in the event that you're searching for anchor convention value expectations and need to know where the anchor convention cost will go from here on out. We'll analyze anchor convention's verifiable information, market patterns, and witness industry insiders' thought process will to its cost from here on out. If it's not too much trouble, remember that this guess and some other expectation ought to be taken with the comprehension that they are just the assessments of a few market experts. Not to add that it is challenging to predict whatever exact. However, we will bend over backward. We should start with the anchor convention value forecast. What is the anchor convention? One of the essential inspirations for the making of digital currencies, anchor convention endeavors to accomplish the depegging of the Terra USD stablecoin and ensuing breakdown of the Luna digital money, in any case, made it be shaken, and it was a central point. Individuals that marked us got a 19.5% payout from the anchor convention. Yet toward the beginning of May 2022, a few enormous financial backers pulled out their property, causing the amount of us set in anchor to decline. Different financial backers were then provoked to pull out their USD because of this thump-on influence. This brought about a run that depegged USD and drove down the cost of Luna. Decentralized finance, frequently known as DeFi, is the basic guideline behind a few blockchains and digital currencies. It depends on the perception that there are a larger number of individuals with web access than ledgers. DeFi is intended to give clients admittance to normal banks' administrations without expecting them to submit to a particular power. Credits are one assistance given by banks that can be invaluable for the people DeFi is attempting to reach. The thought that credits might be made by means of decentralized finance, and especially Bitcoin, can possibly cause a ton of clamor, albeit Compound and other digital currencies are specialists in this field. The issue of whether a cryptographic money could help shoppers give credits rather than getting them actually must be replied. As of now, the anchor convention steps in. The Luna digital currency might be acquired in restricted amounts utilizing Anchor, which works on the land blockchain. Borrowers can involve their own advanced resources as security. The Anchor convention token is granted to supporters of the land pool. Individuals can contribute ANC to the acquiring pool to procure interest, which is paid out in ANC also. Individuals who own Anchor convention Bitcoin really have a cryptographic money investment account, which is one more normal bank choice that DeFi fans wish to exploit. At a certain point, the convention was a fascinating possibility since it paid out a sizable amount of interest. However, on June 8, 2022, Anchor clients chose to end its procuring and acquiring capacities after its part in the depegging of the USD stablecoin. The Land blockchain and the Luna digital currency were both made by Korean crypto business visionaries Daniel Shin and Do Kwon, who likewise sent off the coin. The money entered the open business sectors in WOC 2021, and the convention was at first presented in mid-2021. ANC isn't a coin, yet a token rather, in light of the fact that it runs on the Land exemplary blockchain. In spite of the fact that implications to things like an Anchor convention coin cost estimate or an ANC coin value expectation might show up, they are completely erroneous. Anchor convention specialized investigation. Regardless of whether it is challenging to produce 100% exact specialized examination for the ANC coin, trading views strong specialized examination capability permits clients to see the joint Anchor convention trade rating for the given time span continuously. The NCI USD examination depends on the most broadly utilized specialized markers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns. Anchor convention current cost. Anchor convention is right now worth 8 cents USD. ANC has moved 0.35% as of now with an exchanging volume of $9,159,119. Anchor convention is right now positioned 469 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $28,750,788 USD. Anchor convention value forecast 2022. Anchor convention, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ANC cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 12 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 11 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. ANC is supposed to have a base worth of 9 cents. Anchor convention value forecast 2023. In 2023, Anchor convention ANC cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of a ANC will before long outperform 20 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the ANC's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ANC will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 16 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 18 cents. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 28 cents and ANC might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ANC is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 26 cents and a low of 24 cents in 2024. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the Anchor Convention effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the ANC coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ANC will be green in 2025. The ANC is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 36 cents, with a base cost of 32 cents and a typical cost of 34 cents. Anchor Convention Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ANC cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 42 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 41 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ANC has a most extreme value worth of 45 cents. Anchor Convention Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 50 cents. On the off chance that ANC figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 53 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help ANC needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 49 cents. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2028. While ANC is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 57 cents and a yearly cost close above 61 cents in 2028. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Anchor Convention will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 65 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 69 cents, averaging out at 67 cents. Anchor Convention Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme ANC cost in 2030 is projected to be 80 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 77 cents. And, however, apparently an independent digital money. Numerous financial backers are as of now worried about